Christian soldiers marching as to war, with the cross of Jesus going on.